Hey guys, this is Mr. Stevens. Welcome to Auto Repair and Refinishing here at the Tech Center. I want to give you a video that includes some of the stuff that we do here in the Tech Center in the Auto Repair and Refinishing program, which is basically a student-run body shop. Okay, we do anything from estimating through to washing cars, working on real customer cars. And as a senior, you have the opportunity to work on your own. Try to keep updated with the best that we can get as real life as it can be. That being said, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we've done and what we are doing and some of the equipment that we have as we always try to keep it updated. All right, so let's go. All kids will be assigned in a group and assigned to a toolbox, and it'll be up to them to maintain it, make sure the tools are put away. All new Hobart welders, brand new welding helmets, auto dimming helmets. You will take cars apart, like this Honda, 2002 Honda. Take everything off of it, fenders, doors, hood, bumper, lights, everything, and then reassemble this car. Okay, that will be done your first year. This one was stripped down, the side was stripped down to give the kids a visual of the inner workings and the inner structure of how a car is assembled. Okay, so I took the door skin off to make sure that they can see how things work. Another project, 1960 Volkswagen. Okay, it's going to get a bed liner inside and out. We have golf carts. And we'll get it in here as a stock golf cart. Has the bag straps and everything in the back, and we take them off when we modify them. You guys work with a budget, and you come up with what you want to do to it. Another cool project that we're working on is our shop Camaro. This is a 91 Camaro. It had a V6 in it that we're doing an engine swap. We're painting it. We're totally redoing this car. The awesome part about this is what we're putting in replace of this V6 that was in it is this right here, 383 stroker that we had built. What we've got going on in here is we're redoing some cabinets for the classroom, repainting. We have a powder coater right there with an oven. That's new equipment. Has not been used yet. This is our paint booth. It's a downdraft paint booth. This is our mixing room. I have a student in here mixing paint. So this is our mixing room. We used high quality paint equipment. These are SATA NR4000 digital guns and SATA primer guns. This is our mixing machine. These are some of the projects that we've done for senior projects. Hoods. I was a body shop owner for 9 years. Hired 3 kids out of this program. So I know what the industry is looking for and what they expect the helpers to be experienced with. We have the opportunity to do internships. Okay, I've had kids work in this class, go to work from this class, and also instead of coming to class, they'll go to work and they'll get credit. One thing I really want to mention and push is we compete in Skills USA every year, and fortunately 2 years ago, we had the state gold medal champion come right out of this classroom. Okay, that punched their ticket to the national level competition, which was held in Louisville, Kentucky. That's in June every year, and it's an awesome experience. It gives the students a chance to showcase what they learn in this class and to compete against other students from other schools. So if you've got a competitive bone in you, I highly encourage to get involved with Skills USA. So I hope that you apply for this program. It's a fun program. You'll learn a lot. If you have a passion about cars, this is definitely the class for you.